Finally, the garage door. We purchased this door online for a 25% total tax and delivery savings. The local garage door company and the big box stores were overpriced, so we went online and ordered. They shipped the 7.5 foot by 16 foot custom insulated door directly to the job site. It took less than 3 weeks and arrived with easy to understand instructions. We saved 25% plus we installed it ourselves for additional savings. We were so pleased we produced a detailed instructional video to show you, the viewers, how easy it was. Thank you again, as I am Jenny for Heffernan Construction, and please subscribe.